Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by getting your AirPods and phone ready. This avoids interruptions. Place both AirPods in your ears and open settings on your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the AirPods appear as connected. If they don't, open the case near the phone and follow the pairing prompt. Once done, confirm the model shows as AirPods, 3rd generation, in Bluetooth details, so the noise controls you need will be available in the next step. You'll now activate noise cancellation using either Control Center or the device settings. Swipe down to open Control Center, long press the audio playback card, and choose Noise Cancellation. This switches the AirPods into active noise reduction by using outward and inward microphones to cancel ambient sound. If you prefer a menu path, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon by your AirPods, then select Noise Control and pick Noise. Finish by testing with music and speaking to confirm voices are reduced and bass feels fuller. The fit matters, so adjust ear placement for a better seal. If noise cancellation isn't present, check for firmware updates by keeping your AirPods connected and near your iPhone overnight or update iOS. If problems persist, reset the AirPods. Place them in the case. Hold the rear button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. And repair. This fixes most software glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.